Good morning, dear students. And now I am taking revision from chapter 1, 5, 8, 10, 13 and 3. And I think 2 times I have taken revision. And now what you will do from chapter 1 and from chapter 5, from chapter 8, 10, 13 and 3. What is given in the exercises you have to solve. Means from chapter 1, name of the chapter 1 is the different types of plants. So what you will do, you will take revision and fill in the blanks, true false, and question answer. You will take revision and then you have to write in rough copy. So every chapter revision I have completed, and now again I will take revision from chapter 13. And name of the chapter 13 is the water. As we know, water is our basic need, and without water we can't do anything. And water is used for cooking, drinking, bathing, washing, and for many other purposes. This much we know. And plants and animals too need water to live. Plants also, animals also need water to live. And then sources of water. What is the sources of water? So rain is the we can say that rain is the main source of water, and it falls from the clouds, and when it rains the water fills up rivers, lakes, streams and ponds. And some rainwater goes deep into the soil, and this type of water is called the this is called the underground water. Means some rainwater goes deep into the soil, and this is called the underground water. And water supply. In big towns and cities, water comes in most homes through taps. Water from a source such as river or lake is cleaned and stored in big tanks. And from tanks it is supplied to our homes through pipes and taps. And in small towns and villages, people draw the underground water by the digging wells and by the hand pumps. And farmers draw underground water through the tube wells. Farmers draw underground water through the tube wells. And all water is not safe to drink, as we know that what is water present in the oceans and river or lakes or ponds. All water is not safe to drink. Means water in rivers and lakes may have harmful substances, and it may contain germs, and this type of water is called the impure water. If water is contain germs and different harmful substances are there, so this type of water is called the impure water. Impure water. And this water is not good for the health, and it contains different types of diseases. And impure water is harmful to health, and it may cause several diseases. It may cause several diseases. And water at the source become impure due to the following reasons. People wash dirty clothes. People take the animals for bath. Drainage water is let into the source. Throwing garbage into the source. Throwing garbage into the source. Drink clean water. Tap water is safe for use. Tap water is safe for use, and still it is advisable to purify it. And for purifying, we must boil or filter it, and boiling water kills the germs present in it, and we should keep the water in clean and covered vessels. And some water purifiers can be fitted directly into the taps to get potable water fit for drinking. And then water is scarce. The earth is covered with more water than land. Most of the water is present in oceans and seas, but we can't use seawater as it is too salty, and the availability of fresh water is too scarce. All living things depend on fresh water, so we must save it. Save water. Never leave the tap running. Close the tap after use. Do not make the water dirty. As we know that water is our basic need, and we use water for many purposes, and rain is the main source of water. Rivers, lakes, ponds, wells and hand pumps are other sources of water. Water in most homes comes through taps. All water is not safe to drink. We must drink clean water. Fresh water is too scarce. We must save it. Fresh water is too scarce. We must save it. This is all about again chapter 13. And what you will do first, what is the fill in the blanks is given. First, without answer you will write in rough copy, and then you will answers you will write. Then in true false, in this also you will do the same. You will write true false in rough copy, and then like this you will take revision and tick the right word. In this also you will write only question, and answers you have to write with yourselves. And in answer the following also, first you will write all the questions what is given in the notebook, what answers I have given and you have written. You have to write in rough copy, and then you have to learn it and write in copy. And now what you will do, you will take a revision like this, and one chapter, what chapters I taught for the periodic test, you will take a revision, and then you will do the same. And after that, when you will learn, then you have to write in rough copy like this. You will take practice. And chapter you will take revision from one chapter, not together. So today this is your homework. Learn all the question and answers what is given in the chapter 13. This is your today's homework. This is your today's homework. You have to write, you have to learn chapter 13, and then you have to write in rough copy all the questions, and then you have to do with yourselves. So today's homework is the learn and write chapter 13 in the rough copy. And otherwise you can do like this, only fill in the blanks and true false you will learn, and then you will take revision. So you will learn all the fill in the blanks from chapter 1 to 1, 5, 8, 10, 13, what chapter I taught for the periodic test. Otherwise you can learn like this, means all the fill in the blanks from all the chapters, like this you will learn. Otherwise from one chapter you will learn as your wish. So today's homework is the learn and write chapter 13 water. This is your homework.